as you can see. And last night, right when we got into bed, it was probably 9:30. Everything was quiet. And then we heard this kind of weird dragging noise on the van. I usually keep my lights, my sensor lights here on the ground around the van, so if anybody does walk up, the lights will light up. But after we heard this noise, and it was pretty loud, it wasn't like a rat under the van, it was like something dragging. You can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there's a pretty good drag mark right here. Big long drag that goes all the way down to there, and then another drag that goes along the window and then into the paint a little bit here. And I usually wipe these windows down so there's no marks, so that's new. So yeah, drag mark, drag mark, drag mark. No footprints. I thought maybe it was a tree rubbing up against the van, but as you can see, there's no branches on the ground. Really odd. There was no footsteps around, so I don't know what could have made that noise and what marked up the van like this.